Yo, what's up everybody? This is Papa Bale and welcome to the channel. I just wanted to show you the timing for this. And see, it's two spaces right here between these two magnets. And then here it hits again. It's going to hit right there on this one. So here you're going to get an extra boost of just raw power. Because this is a 6-filer, it's just weird. Okay. And then right here, you see there's two, so it's not going to hit here. And then there's two here, it's not going to hit there, but it's hitting here now. Okay? So you got one hitting here, one hitting here, and then one hitting here, one hitting here. And here you have one hitting here, one hitting here, and one hitting here. So every third, when you finish the cycle, like every third part of the pattern, there's a 3 instead of a 2.
That's awesome, bro.
And that extra kick, you know, it's pretty powerful. So we're gonna turn this on. We're going to jack it all the way up. You can kind of hear it like a locomotive almost.
And what is this that we're looking at?
This is a 13 magnet holder pulse motor rotor.
3D printed?
3D printed. It's a glow-in-the-dark model.
Yeah, that's going to be cool when we do some acrylic pours on it, if you do want to do that.
Now it is kind of wobbly for the shaft. The shaft is kind of wobbly. But the acceleration, I believe, continues until you get to the frequency of the 3. Which is not, I believe you have the same coil configuration with that 4th coil being there, using, let me show you, let me turn it down, this coil, and this coil for one, and then this coil, and this coil for another. Because at the top, you have that point, and then 2 right there, and then at the bottom, which is right here. Now why did I end up doing it like this is because that's where the magnets ended up being. And it's a pretty, you know, easy pattern to remember. You get 2 spaces, 2 spaces, 2 spaces, and then 3 spaces.
2, 2, 2, and then 3?
Yep.
Yep, I saw that in the beginning of the video. Nice, dude. So and it kicks up pretty cool, and you can hear the sound.
Yeah, so if we put it right here, the 3 will hit, no, it's just 2 actually, but that you'll hit here, so maybe I'll remove that 4th one.
So just 3.
It only catches like every once in a while.
Okay.
I'm wondering if I should trade it for any one of these, because. But anyway, you know, there's a 120 degree, you know, way to put the coils, and this is pretty close, but it's like 90 degrees, and then like 150 or 170.
I hear you.
Maybe 130. It's not 120 degrees. But it's, in my opinion, you know, it could be way more powerful because you get that extra boost of energy So real quick, I'm just going to turn it on. I'm going to try and feel for torque. I'm going to slow it down real quick. Do you see it there? That was just a perfect example of how this thing works. So, and then we'll continue an acceleration phase up until the point where you get to the max speed of the 3 coils combined, and then it'll be consistent. Alright, that's it. That's all I got. But that's pretty awesome. Thank you very much. Peace out. Please subscribe.